Hello, I'm Dr. Roxy Barber, and I practice integrative and aesthetic medicine here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And today I'm going to talk to you about acupuncture and Chinese medicine. So, this is a really cool medicine that really is able to treat a large scale of different ailments that people may have. It encompasses the whole body, so we treat everything, and there's not much we can't treat with this medicine. Of course, there's certain things that are surgical, or some things do need medication. And of course, a lot of acute things that maybe you need to go to the ER for, we're probably not going to fix with some acupuncture. But with that aside, it's a very complete medicine, as we do treat the entire body and all the systems that are in it. And we take a whole body approach. We also are looking for root causes of what's going on with someone's ailment. So instead of just treating symptoms, we try to peel back the layers and figure out what's the root cause, where are the imbalances, and what we need to do to fix it. So with that, we can utilize acupuncture, Chinese herbs, which Chinese herbs are fantastic, and I don't think enough people realize how great they are. A lot of our allopathic pharmaceutical medication is actually based off of these ancient Chinese herb formulas, but they can't be patented because nothing all natural can be patented. So a lot of times they're altered in the lab. Throw a couple chemicals in there, make them into a tiny little pill, and now they can put a patent on it, and now they can sell it for a huge amount of money. But unfortunately, what happens with that is they can become unstable, and as we all know, cause a huge plethora of side effects. And some of them are just dangerous. But a lot of these medications don't always need to be used. I get a lot of people off of medications. I work with the doctors that have put them on them, and we can get people off of a lot of medications or never have them start these medications. Acupuncture and Chinese medicine, some of the most common things I treat in my office is I treat a lot of people that are in pain. And these modalities, when we include acupuncture, herbs, maybe some cupping, some electrostimulation on the needles, they may see the chiropractor in my office. There's a lot of combination therapies that can be done, but pain, injuries, pre and post-op, if someone does need to go in for surgery, acupuncture is really great to prepare the body for that, and then afterwards help it to heal faster. I treat a lot of depression, stress, and anxiety. That's usually pretty easy. Of course, we bring in other aspects, and this is the really neat part about Chinese medicine, is it's not just herbs and it's not just acupuncture. We look at what's going on with the mind. We look what's going on emotionally, and then we look at the exogenous factors that we come into play with. What's our job like? What's our family like? What are we eating is a big part of a lot of our treatments. And food therapy is a big thing with Chinese medicine. They always say eat with the seasons, eat the foods that are being grown in that season. And also there's certain foods that can make ailments worse. If someone has a lot of pain, dairy's inflammatory. A lot of the grains or gluten can be very inflammatory. Alcohol, very inflammatory. So when you can cut these kinds of things out, and we start to reduce inflammation in the body, and then you incorporate acupuncture or herbs, then it all starts to work synergistically together, and we can get really amazing results. Women's health, a lot of women struggle with horrible periods. It doesn't need to be the case. Acupuncture is really great for that, and it usually works really fast. Fertility issues as well. And then we go into some of the neuro stuff. So Bell's palsy, whether it's from Lyme's disease, stress-induced, strokes. Acupuncture works great for Bell's palsy. And actually that's how they kind of figured out the acupuncture facelift protocol. So we can really help to lift and tighten the face with consistent treatments with acupuncture for that. Anytime you get an acupuncture treatment, you're boosting the body's immune system. You're balancing it out so that the body can do its best, work its best, heal itself the best. That's really what we're doing, is we're helping the body heal itself, which is what's really neat about this medicine. The body is resilient, and if you help it along, it can really do a lot of its own healing without medications and surgeries and that type of thing. So what's not possible with acupuncture? Of course, if you certain surgeries you just need. There are certain medications that, you know, if you're a type 2 diabetic or type 1 diabetic, I'm probably not going to ever get you off your medication for that. If you're type 2, I can a lot of times, but certain things that people will need medication. But other than that, I mean, we treat babies all the way up to seniors and student athletes. We do a lot of preventative medicine. Chinese medicine is actually meant to be used as preventative. You know, thousands of years ago, you went regularly to your Chinese medicine doctor and you got your acupuncture or your herbs to stay healthy, and you would pay them. If you got sick, it was said that your doctor didn't do their job right and you got sick. So when you got treated when you were sick, you didn't pay. So obviously it's not like that now because we live in a very different time, and most people aren't coming in regularly and using this as a preventative medicine. We kind of use medicine in America more as a reactive medicine, but that's starting to change too. You know, taking care of ourselves before there's a problem, we can avoid a lot of them. So the other thing it can't do is, you know, once in a blue moon we get lucky and one treatment can fix somebody, but usually someone's had a problem for a little while. I'm not going to treat it or fix it in 1 or 2 treatments usually. So you do need a lot of times a series of treatments, and sometimes you will need maintenance on certain things. Sometimes it can be quicker, sometimes it can take longer. A lot of times it depends how long you've had a problem. But if you've had a problem for 10 years, I'm probably not going to be able to fix it in 4 treatments. I'm sure I can probably make it better and we can start improving it. But again, we're promoting the body to heal itself, so it can take time to really fix the underlying cause of that. So with that said, if you're interested, I always offer a free consultation. You can come into my office, we can talk on the phone, or we can do a video chat. You can book with me by going to my website, roxybarber.com, or you can call or text my office. I don't recommend emailing me. I usually check emails about once a week, so it will be a much slower response. So I always encourage people to call or text me. I want to thank you for taking your time to watch this video. You know, I hate seeing people in pain or not feeling well when there is a lot of really great things that this medicine can do. And I love helping people feel better. I love hearing, I wish I tried this 10 years ago, or this is the one thing that helped me, or even though my back doesn't hurt, I love it so much. I'm going to keep coming, you know, whether it's once a week, once a month, once a season, because I feel so good when I leave here. So if there's anything you think I can help you with, or someone that you know, please let them know about this, because I would love to have you in the office. Thank you.